We might land a maintenance contract for $3,600 a year, but we're really expecting to push that north of $10,000, even as much as $15,000 in revenue.
We're mostly a residential landscape management company, just under $1 million or so. I've been struggling the past few years with trying to find the best way for packaging my pricing. Where do you see are the best things to include in a monthly package? What are some of the services that should be more of a per unit or per service price?
Yeah, great question. Definitely, I am a big believer in the lowest base monthly fee possible on every proposal. I grew my business that way. I've coached thousands of companies to grow that way, and it works. Ultimately, we end up giving too much work away, and the expectations that the owners have for the level of service is off the scale, because they just think if they're paying you a flat rate per month, the place should be perfect regardless of how much work it takes. So what I like to do is include mowing, trimming, and blowing for residential, even the most luxurious properties, just including the absolute basics. And then when they first sign the contract, they can check off anything they want, and we'll just go ahead and schedule that. But then on an ongoing basis, we're going to be dropping an email on them every 2 weeks throughout the year to let them know about the current offers or opportunities that are in place. If they don't respond at all, obviously we're not going to do any work. And this just tells us to go ahead and schedule the work. And so in the background, we're just getting these fast yes emails, and we're adding in mulching applications. We're adding in fertilization, weed control, extra inspections on lighting and irrigation. And what this is doing is showing them that you're basically giving them a membership program where you're going to make sure their property looks exactly the way they want it to look. When we put the proposal out, we give them their low base monthly, we give them our hourly and per application or per each in the case of mulch or per bag. And that way, all they have to do is give us a fast yes or no. It's a little bit more work in the office, setting up the campaigns and obviously monitoring emails and updating schedule. But this is really high margin work. To make a healthy profit, 7 to 12%, but we're really counting on getting more like 10 to 20% net on all of these add-ons. And you're typically in that 45 to 55% gross profit range on all of these enhancements and add-ons. And so we're really just trying to price the weekly maintenance. We want to at least double our revenue, if not 4x our revenue on all the add-on services. So we might land a maintenance contract for $3,600 a year, but we're really expecting to push that north of $10,000, even as much as $15,000 in revenue.